Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to a different language. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what to do is open up your presentation and then select the Review tab up at the top. And there should be an item right above Language. It says Translate. Go ahead and select that. And then you go ahead and translate your text on the page here, and you can just select the text from a document, or you can search here to translate, and then it should translate to a different language depending on your preference on there. And that's pretty much it. You can auto detect it, so you can select what language you are translating from, and then what language you like to translate it to. And that's pretty straightforward. Just would select the words on the slide, and then it would translate it over here on the right. And that's pretty much it. You can insert that translation as well if that's what you like to do. But pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.